All right, so a little bigger hammer here. That should hopefully help the process here. Let's see if we can get this thing down in here. Oh yeah, I can tell already. Talk about the design of this. This is one solid piece. I saw some of these actually come in two pieces where you have to put screws right here. I think probably welding and having one solid piece here is better. Also, having this, you know, make a zigzag here like this, come out at an angle of 45 and come out, is probably going to give us more support as opposed to one that would go straight down. Also, you think about it, around the base of the pole is likely going to be some concrete. So if we had one that just went straight down, we would probably hit some concrete, and we don't want to do that because then we'd have a problem, right? So having this with one solid piece like this, also you can see protecting it. I'm putting this piece of wood here if that's important to you. Probably a good idea, right? And then definitely having a heavier hammer helps. This keeps wanting to go to the right a little bit. All right, sounds different. That must mean it's in the ground. All right, so it did kind of want to push over some to the right. I'm just gonna have to squeeze it over some and screw it like that. Should be okay, honestly. Let's see. All right, first one's in. All right, two more. All right, so here's the one we just did, number 2. And again, it's only got 3 screws in it because we're having a problem right there. But you can see, I think it's going to be just fine. So here's a spot to the right of the original one that we did, the first one. So there's the first one right there on the first post. And the next post, you can see, so those are the 2 we've done so far. So this will be the 3rd one I've done. And you can see this is wobbling pretty good right here. So we're going to do a 3rd one right here. And again, we'll put the other one across the yard on the other side. Okay guys, we had a little shower come through. I was able to get everything out of the rain. Those 3 on the other side over there, let's take a look. I think they're in good shape now. I feel a lot better about it. You can see 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 right there. We'll zoom in on them. There's the 3rd one right there. The other one's behind that tree. There it is. Zoom in on it. Yeah. There it is. All right, good. 1, 2, and 3.